Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and as you can see that after the market opening, Euro USD is trading above the level of 1.1600, and if we just observe these candles here, then we can see that yes, Euro USD is struggling to sustain above this level, but still we are not sure whether the 1.1600 is a valid resistance for the market or support for the market. Still, we do not have the confirmation whether this is the resistance or this is the support for the market. So in this type of scenario, it is not a good decision to looking for any buying or selling opportunity, because see, if you just observe the candles here, okay, if you just observe the candles here, then you can see that market is not having any movements. Market is just standing flat here. So do you think that you should be investing your hard-earned money on a chart like this where there is no movement? Obviously not. Therefore, your strategy should be avoid Euro USD as long as it is not giving us any clear sign. Honestly speaking, I am not trading on Euro USD for the last couple of days. I have been avoiding, and probably I will not be trading today as well until and unless Euro USD reverses from this level of 1.1640 or 1.1666 level. Okay, in case Euro USD goes up and reverses from these two levels, I will not be trading, because when I am having other opportunities on the market to make money, why should I be investing my money on a chart that does not is not giving me any proper clarification, proper direction? So my strategy is simple. I am not trading on a chart that does not give me any proper clarity. So I will also request to my dear friends, if you are thinking that my analysis is wrong, I am doing something wrong, that please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. But from my point of view, Euro USD is not in a good position right now. Whatever I have shared on Saturday, my strategy remains the same. If Euro USD goes up from here, listen to me carefully. If Euro USD goes up from here, just observe Euro USD at this level, 1.1640 level, or in case it goes above, observe at 1.1666 level. These are the levels from where there is a good chance of Euro USD reversing. And if Euro USD reverses from this particular level, that will be the most beautiful spot, because we have a double resistance here. Yes, we have a double resistance here. So if Euro USD reverses from this particular levels, obviously I'll be going for shorting the market. But as of now, I'm not doing anything, and I'll also suggest you not to trade on Euro USD, because we do not have any proper clarification. Okay. And on the other hand, if we look at the chart of dollar here, then we can see that after the market opening, US dollar is trying to take support at 23.6% retracement of Fibonacci. So if it bounces, listen to me carefully, if it bounces from here, then definitely Euro USD will be going down. And in case it starts coming down again, there is a support at 93.80 here, that it may bounce from here. Till then, wait and watch. And my dear friends, if you are planning to trade on Euro USD, then yes, you can short Euro USD if it breaks the previous low here. If it breaks the previous low of 1.1599, no, sorry, if it breaks this level of low level of Euro USD, obviously you can short below it, but not right now. Okay, just make sure that whatever you do, just you consult the chart of DXY. Yes, the consulting the chart of DXY is extremely important, because we have a correlation. Whenever DXY goes up, US dollar goes up, we see Euro USD going down. When dollar goes down, we see euro USD going up. So if you are taking a buy order, just make sure dollar is going down, and if you're going for a sell on euro USD, just make sure dollar is going up. That's it. So my strategy is same. If I get an opportunity to short euro USD here I'll short euro USD, otherwise I will not trade. And in case there is a sudden breakout, sudden sell off, huge sell off on euro USD, and it breaks this level, the lowest level on the chart, obviously I'll short below it. That's it. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.